All right, here we go. We are going to start to do some practice problems with long division. This video, we are going to work through one long division problem. So you can come back, you can rewatch this as many times as you need because there's lots of steps. And so it's going to kind of lay out every step for you. Okay, so the first thing we do when we set up a long division problem is we got to set up this little house, which is kind of our division. That was not a very good way to draw it. Let me try this one more time. A little bit better. Whatever number you are dividing goes inside. So the problem I'm going to do is 692 divided by 4. So that's kind of how we read that. 692 divided by 4. And so we're going to take this one step at a time as we kind of roll here and go one digit at a time. So this number right here is really important because that is the number that you're going to be doing a lot of your dividing and multiplying by. And you're going to work yourself kind of one place value, one digit at a time as you go, because trying to divide 692 in our brain into 4 is really hard to do. So let's take it one digit at a time. So I first look at this digit. I look at the 6 and I think, well, how many times can this 4 go into that 6, right? How many times can I add 4 together to get as close to 6 as I can? Well, this is only one 4. If I do 2 4s, that is 8. 4 times 2 is 8, which is too much. But 4 times 1 gets me 4. So what I do is I put the 1 up top. So that says, okay, 4 times 1 is what I'm doing. Well, 4 times 1 is 4, and I put that down below because that's how much it is. So first, I kind of do that multiplying. 4 times 1 equals 4. Then I subtract. 6 minus 4 is 2. And now we're rolling. Now I move over to the second digit. All right? I had 2 left over from the first digit, so I can't lose that. I have to keep it. But I'm going to drop this 9 down, which is one place value over. So it drops down to make the number 29. And I start the process again. I think, how many times can I take 4 to get into 29? Or how close can I get to 29 before I go over? And if I think about it, I know that 4 times 7 is going to get me 28. That's as close as I can get. So I put the 7 up there. The 4 times 7 equals 28. Put that down there. Then I subtract. 9 minus 8 is 1. 2 minus 2 is 0, so I'm going to leave that spot. All right, we still have more digits to do. I have the 2, so I drop that 2 down. And now I think, how many times can 4 go into 12? Well, that is one I can get exactly. 4 going into 12 is 3. I take 4 times 12. Subtract, I have nothing remaining. That's our goal, to get nothing remaining. And so we get this answer right up here of 173. 692 divided by 4 equals 173. One digit at a time, trying to think how close can we get. Okay, so if you need to, go back and rewatch this video again. We're going to do a few of these in class. You'll see a few more videos coming up of me working through other problems, but there is your first kind of glimpse at long division. All right, good luck.